What's up? um, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, today's Monday, September 23rd, and then we're talking about some of the trades that I took today and some of the trades planning on taking and what the market is looking like right now. First off, last video I talked about TSLT, and I talked about how I raised my stop up, and it was just a stupid mistake, raising my stop and getting stopped out on just I don't know, for no reason. So I re-entered today in the morning. I just this type of breakout was it's just a perfect breakout. If you look at it on Tesla's regular, I mean, it's beautiful. It's perfect. Higher lows the whole time, surfing the moving averages, condensed range, condensed, and it broke out on high volume. It's exactly what you're looking for. And the fact that I got stopped out the day after because I raised my stop up too quickly is a joke. That's 100% my fault, obviously, but that's just so I had to re-enter it. I had to rebuy it back. I had to just kind of let this opportunity get past. So here's a picture of my entry again. Mind you, I was in at 1552, my initial buy. So right around here. Yeah, right here. Really right where the line crosses here is where I initially bought it. And so I'd be up 10%, but today I'm only up 4, so that's fine. I am chasing, even though I was in it originally, but hopefully this can work out. And I'm not gonna raise my stop. I'm not raising my stop this time. Yeah, let me show you what I entered in at what price. Oops, that was an alarm. Sorry. So I got in the first 5 minutes at the high of the first 5 minute candle. It was insanely strong with tons of volume, so I was like, I can't miss this. I have to buy it. So that's what I did. Now it's performing well. Obviously, I wish I was in my full size or the size that I had 2 days ago, 2 trading days ago. But you know, it is what it is. Next one I took today was WULF. So this one looked great in the morning. This is a crypto-related stock. And then crypto has been going up. So I was like, well, this one looked well because it gapped up in the morning over this kind of range here. And I was like, well, if it can keep breaking out, I'll buy it. So that's exactly what I did. But I did get stopped out later in the day. And I'll show you it on this chart right here. So here's what it looks like. All right, so it came out early in the morning. It went down. Actually, I'm sorry. It opened up here in the morning. It was just hanging around here for a while, and then once it finally broke out of that 2 minute, it's on the 2 minute, but I think it was the 5th minute, the 5 minute. I think I entered. Anyways, I bought it here. It was breaking out around 485 ish, and put my stop in for low of day, and then I just undercut the low of day went even 5 cents lower, and then stopped me out. But it never rebroke the high of the day, so I never re-entered. But yeah, so that was the two trades today that I've been looking at. And let's just look at the overall market. Oh, this is the leverage ETF, sorry. Let's see. Here we go. So the market, I feel like, hasn't been trading well. I feel it's been trading a little weird because you can look at these couple days here. It's just like it'll go up and it gets sold into, and it'll break down, gap down, and get weak, and then get bought up. And it's just kind of like in a weird market right now, I guess. I don't know. But it looks strong. It looks like it's gonna go make another run, another bull run, sticking above all-time highs. So we'll see what this does. These right here on the right side, I just have a couple of stocks that I'm looking at. NVDA is also another one I'm looking at big time right now. It has like a small flag here, but if you look at the overall picture, it has a nice flag as well. See this here? I think on the weekly it'll probably look nice. Yeah, see on the weekly it looks great. So I'm kind of waiting for this breakout here, if it ever does come. Um, on the small on the daily time frame, it just looks like a little flag here, and then on the weekly time frame, we can also see another flag. Um, so this one NVIDIA looks really good to me right here. If it breaks down, hopefully I can catch a short. If it breaks out, I want to catch it too. But so far, hasn't picked a direction yet. So I'll wait for that one. Or maybe we'll get it this week. Hopefully we'll get it this week. What else? PLC. This one's on my watch. Hopefully it can tighten up, break out. Wolf, I told you, broke out of this range here. Although this range was kind of wide and loose, I still liked it on the breakout. Maybe I should have gave it more of a range. Looking at the fact it's 9.65 ADR, but oh well, it is what it is. This thing's probably gonna get up to like 550 tomorrow and take off without me. And then Lumen, like this one also pissed me off. I missed it here this day, and I've been trying to get in every single one of these days. And then today I just ignored it, and then it went straight up. But well, I missed it the first time. Shouldn't have ever tried to get back into it. Cores, just continuing without me. I think I got stopped out this day here. SLC sold it last Friday. We'll see if this one can tighten up here again and then have another breakout. But it's kind of a choppy trader. I think I got pretty lucky with this one, to be honest with you. Till this one doesn't look that bad at all either. It looks like a high tide flag. It is very, very illiquid though. If you do the math, 240,000, $66. That's only like what, $12 million volume, I think. It's not much. Hopefully some volume can come in tomorrow and just we'll break out of this range. On the hourly, look at this thing on the hourly, like just absolutely perfect high tide flag. So if we can get a breakout here, go to 90. That'd be nice. That'd be great. And I'll probably miss it though, so what does it matter? App. Looks like it's starting to slow down. Don't know if we're gonna get a big red day down, back to the moving average. But I'm just gonna sit in the sideline for this one. This one has gone up since 2023. At the start, it's gone up 1100%. So it's quite a big move, and I don't know if I want to touch it if it does set up again, but I'll still probably do it. ASTS. This one looked fantastic on Friday, this day was Friday, but in the morning it looked perfect. But it looks weak. We'll see what it does. We'll see if it continues down or if it just breaks out or whatever. Kava, missed this one too. WGS, missed that one. Clove, still kind of waiting for Clove to break out here. I think it's setting up pretty nicely here. It's an okay setup, not that great, but and also it's very liquid. Today it only traded to 3.7 million times $3, so like $9 million volume. Atro, this one coming back. I don't even know. I think I should take this one off my watch list. I don't think this is a very good stock to trade either. PHAT, I think this is another one I should take off my watch list. Look at this thing. It's just horrible. Looks horrible. Remove that actually. CDNA. Oh, finally broke down today. I bought this one on the breakout. I think this day here. And just gave it all back. So, goes to show you why you have sell rolls, why you have stop orders. And then Nova. I bought this one here on this breakout. I think here, this day here too. Or this day. Either one of these days when it was breaking out of this range here. And now it's failing. So, yeah. I think that's it so far on the ones that I've been watching. And then let's look at the 1 month gainer. Gainers, scan real quick. Lace, I missed this one. I think I talked about it in a couple of videos ago. That it breaking out of this. It's kind of reminding me of SOC, but I think SOC was first. Yeah, it's almost identical. Just it's broken out very, very nicely, over 100%. Oh well. Poet, I missed this one today. I wasn't even paying attention to it at all. I don't even think I would consider this one that good of a breakout. I think it's very, I don't know. This doesn't look good. I also don't even know what the news was behind it or what happened. Next one. A lot of these stocks that I'm getting in these scanners right now, they're just these low price, cheap stocks that are coming from bases. And like, I mean, look at this. Look at this thing. They're all, well, except for this one. Look at these things. I didn't even see this one today. UEC. Just super cheap stocks. Low price stocks. We're from bottoms. Com. This one's a good one. Good breakout. Very nice. Sizzle. I think the breakout here was this day. 5%. AFRM. Kind of look like it's going to break out. Maybe a couple more days. Maybe a week. If the 10 day can catch up, 10 and 20 day can catch up. But I don't know. I don't really know about this company. AAOI. It did look like it broke out today. It had, in the morning, it looked very nice. On this this candle here. It looked like it was breaking out. And then just completely gave it all back. I was going to buy it, but I was like, well, let's just be patient for a little, because I have a tendency to buy it super early and then get stopped out later in the day. So I was waiting for that one to happen, which it did. So Wolf, back down week. Oh, another one that I missed was RCAT. I remember that one. I didn't even have it on my watch list. Oh, well, never mind. I gave it all back today. Wow. What happened? It looks so good today in the morning. Like phenomenal. I mean, offering or something? I don't know. It just happened in after hours. Maybe earnings. Oh, yeah, I think it was earnings. Anyways, but yeah, I mean, it looked like it broke out this day here. It made an over 20% move in 2 days. So it looked great in the morning earlier today when I was up here. I was like, damn, I missed it. But I didn't know earnings were coming up so soon. So thankfully I missed that one. But yeah, that's about it for me today. Keeping it short, nothing too crazy. Hopefully this market can continue. We'll get some more breakouts. Waiting for the big breakout on NVDA. Something I'm really looking forward to. Let's look at Bitcoin. Oops. I mean, Bitcoin's kind of weak. Not weak, but maybe if we can get up here, I'll probably have a nice breakout on what, MSTR. And Wolf. Wolf looks like it's already breaking out. Coin. I have all these. Let's see. Nope, wrong one. Nope. Again. Wolf. ETH. Hut. Yeah. So I mean, Bitcoin doesn't look like it's gonna break out, or doesn't have a good setup. Not that it's not gonna break out, but yeah. So that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow.